guys, welcome back to Samanya and Nishani's channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Hit the bell!
We'll be preparing laddus for Diwali today. First, I'll show you the ingredients for the laddus. First, you'll need sesame till, 4 to 5 spoons of almond and cashew nuts crushed, and 4 to 5 spoons of ghee, and a cup of jaggery, and half cup of coconut powder. Now let's get started.
What should we put first?
We have to put sesame till into the blender. And then you have to blend it as a coarse powder. After that, add jaggery and coconut powder. Coconut powder, and then blend it. You have to blend it like a powder like this. And now we have to fry the crushed almonds in ghee. You have to fry it until the color is a golden and brownish color. The smell is really, 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 really nice. And now we have to put it into the powder. After you've put it into the cup, you have to mix it well. Once you mix well, prepare the laddu.
What is the specialty of this laddu?
Well, as it has sesame, sesame is rich in iron and even jaggery. And now let's prepare laddu. Make sure it comes out round. And this is how a laddu should look. It's really easy and quick to prepare this laddu.
I'm gonna taste mine. It's really yummy and tasty. I love it. I'm gonna eat this a day and a day and a day and a day.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Advance Happy Diwali!